Oh, why look, there seems to be a turkey on my hand. Crazy. So, hand turkey, we should probably keep this short, because Andrew has a test tomorrow on Victoria era clothing. So, do you know anything about Victoria era clothing? Fascinating. You're not very helpful. Dig that crazy turkey sound. Don't know where this clip is. Favorite elementary school craft. Dang, yo. That was a long time ago. Well, I can tell you, nothing is popping out at me. So nothing was really most memorable. I mean, we did the standard macaroni art. We put an egg in straws. Oh, got it. We had a challenge where we had so many popsicle sticks and so many straws and a cup and like a meter of tape, and the cup had to be at least 6 inches off the table and had to be supported by the popsicle sticks and straws, and then at the end of 30 minutes the teacher would put pennies into the cup, and we would see whose tower could stand up to the most pennies. My team kind of sucked, but that's my team, not me. I think I would have rocked on it. Rocked on it. For those of you who don't know, Canadians have their Thanksgiving a long time ago. And I had mine weeks ago, so it's crazy cool. You guys still get to have it. Cutting a little close to Christmas, don't you think? Anyway, have a wonderful Monday.